Should we expect another Bitcoin bull run in 2023? Hello, and welcome back to TrueFinance. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about when and if the next BTC bull run happens. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It is difficult to say whether or not there will be another Bitcoin bull run in 2023. Various elements, including investor sentiment, regulatory changes, and general market conditions, can impact the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While some analysts contend that the market is currently too volatile and unclear to make such predictions, others counter that the general public's increased and institutionalized investment and acceptance of cryptocurrencies may result in a sustained rise. Should we expect another Bitcoin bull run in 2023? Since its introduction in 2009, Bitcoin, the first and most prominent cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization, has seen turbulent times. Massive price swings have occurred, with periods of fast expansion followed by savage drops. The bull run of 2017, during which the price of Bitcoin rose from roughly $1,000 at the start of the year to nearly $20,000 by December, was one of the most noteworthy examples. In 2018, a bear market ensued, which saw a price decline back to roughly $3,000. Then later in 2021, November and December, we saw a Bitcoin bull run to almost $70K per BTC, once again followed by another bear market to date. The price of Bitcoin has fluctuated between $10,000 and $40,000 over the past year, remaining comparatively constant. The price of Bitcoin may hit a new all-time high in 2023, according to several experts and pundits. But there is rising speculation that another bull run may be imminent. Several reasons could help Bitcoin experience another bull run in 2023. To clear your doubts on why a Bitcoin bull run is expected in 2023, let me break it down in parts. Rising popularity. This rising popularity of cryptocurrencies among the general public is among the most important. The demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is anticipated to rise as more companies, financial institutions, and even governments are now getting into cryptocurrency. And El Salvador, a country in Central America, is a great example of it. As more traders and investors enter the market, this can cause Bitcoin's value to increase over an extended period. Institutional involvement. A bull run for Bitcoin in 2023 may also be influenced by increasing institutional involvement in the cryptocurrency sector. Institutional investors, such as hedge funds, venture capital firms, MicroStrategy, and Tesla, have been joining the market in more significant numbers in recent years. This is a big deal since institutional investors have considerably bigger pockets than individual investors, and their participation in the market might boost Bitcoin's price, as we experienced when Elon Musk made an announcement on Twitter that Tesla owns millions of dollars worth of Bitcoins. Extensive use of blockchain technology. A bull run in 2023 may also be influenced by the expanding use of blockchain technology, which is the foundational technology behind Bitcoin. The demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is set to rise as more businesses and organizations investigate the possibilities of blockchain technology, which can change a wide range of industries from finance to healthcare. An alternative investment. The possibility for Bitcoin to function as an alternative investment is another significant reason that might support another bull run in 2023. Inflation risk is rising as numerous countries continue to generate money to boost their economies. Investors may become interested in Bitcoin due to looking for alternative investments to shield their money from inflation. These are some of the crucial reasons why we're expecting another bull run in 2023. Remember that the market is unpredictable. However, it's also critical to remember that the market is unpredictable and volatile, and several variables might prevent a further bull run for Bitcoin in 2023. Regulation changes, for instance, might make it harder for people and companies to buy, trade, and keep Bitcoin, which negatively affects the price. Since there are still a lot of unanswered questions regarding its scalability, security, and regulatory compliance, there are also worries about the long-term viability of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The factor that influences Bitcoin. Several variables, including market conditions, supply and demand, investor attitude, and market conditions, affect the price of a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. The perception of investors is a significant variable that can impact the cryptocurrency's price. Investors are more inclined to purchase a specific cryptocurrency when optimistic about it, which may increase the price. On the other hand, when investors are pessimistic, they might sell their assets, which could result in a price decrease. The state of the market also affects how much a Bitcoin costs. The price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be significantly impacted by both the state of the traditional financial markets and a broader state of the world economy. For instance, if the stock market is going well, investors would be less inclined to buy Bitcoin, which could lead to a decline in price. Supply and demand are significant issues that impact a cryptocurrency's price. A cryptocurrency's total supply is fixed. Therefore, its price will typically climb as demand grows. On the other hand, as demand declines, prices usually go down. Regulatory adjustments and government's position on cryptocurrencies may also impact the price. If a government sets harsher rules for trading cryptocurrencies, it may result in a decline in price as investors become warier, as we saw when China announced to ban on Bitcoin mining across the country. On the other side, if a government adopts more benevolent laws, it might raise the price since more investors might be inclined to purchase. Last but not least, the price may be significantly impacted by well-known businesses and financial institutions' acceptance and integration of cryptocurrency. The demand for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and others is anticipated to rise as more companies start to accept them as payment, which may result in a price increase. Talking about investors and market enthusiasts, according to the survey of Morning Consult, an American intelligence company, crypto analysts believe Bitcoin would bounce to around $38,000 by the first quarter of 2023. Davidson, a senior research analyst at DA, also has a similar view and predicted that Bitcoin would be around $38K in the first half of 2023, and by the end of the year, it would be around $50,000. To clear your doubts on whether a pump to $50,000 is possible or not in 2023, let's have a look at the Bitcoin one-day timeframe trading chart. Looking at this chart, you can see Bitcoin marked higher highs twice in the 130 to 160 days gap between April 2021 and November 2021. If you look at the chart closely, BTC price upward movement started in January 2021, and a similar pattern is being formed now in January 2023. Not only this, but also if you look at the support level for now and January 2021, it's also the same, which indicated that the probability of a new higher high by the end of 2023 is most likely possible. Well, these were our chart analysis expert thoughts on midterm BTC potential. If you are wondering what are possibilities for BTC in the short term, as very recently it reclaimed $20,000 again. To get better insights, first we have to look at the 1H timeframe chart of BTC or USDT. Here you can see BTC is currently trading exactly on its resistance level and trying to break it. If it is able to break the $21,100 resistance level, then it will highly likely be heading toward the next resistance level, which is around $22,600. However, talking about the major support zone as of now for BTC is around $17,500. According to chart analysis experts, if BTC got rejected from the current resistance of $21,100, then a consolidation between $17,500 and $21,100 is expected for the upcoming few weeks. If you're already in trade or thinking about getting into it, then these levels for now will help you manage your risk. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TrueFinance for more videos like this.